Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have got three products with me which you might not have seen me use on camera, but I actually have been using them quite a bit. Now these all three products I have received for some reason or the other. One product I got when I went to an event as a free gift which they give when you go to events. Then two other products I just got them in a barter collab with the brands. Okay, so I will go in the order. So one is a serum, one is a moisturizer, and one is a sunscreen. Now, two of them are really budget friendly, and one of them is slightly on the more expensive, not slightly, quite a bit expensive. And the only reason I used it is because I got it. I do not think I would repurchase it, but if you already have the product for for some reason or the other, maybe someone gifted you or whatever, or you just want to know how the product is, or you're planning to gift it to someone, the product is really really good. So I'll just go in the order. Okay, now also guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And yeah, so the first one is this serum, which is from brillare, which is their vitamin C face serum. And the good thing about this brand is that they tell you what all, like, the main or the highlight ingredients are there. So this one has 10% vitamin C, which is really good. Then you have arbutin 1%, probiotics 2%, aloe vera 64%, and all natural base, which is basically just your distilled water, and glycerin, because this is very hydrating. So I'm sure the base is distilled water with glycerin, and that is 23%. So the ingredients look really good. And I'll tell you what, with vitamin C serum is something which every person, oily skin, dry skin, whoever, whatever skin type is, you should be having in your skincare routine. Now, there are two ways. Obviously, you can apply the serum either in the morning or in the night, right, or in the afternoon as well, but afternoon comes with the morning category when the sun is there. So vitamin C is an antioxidant which will make sure that the oxidization which happens, your skin, when you go out in the sun, there's pollution, there's dust, you're just living, breathing, so oxidization happens just because of that. And vitamin C, because it is an antioxidant, it will help with the oxidative stress. Now vitamin C also helps with brightening, it also helps with anti-aging, pigmentation, all of that. But the main function of vitamin C is as an antioxidant. So if you apply the serum in the morning, you will get the antioxidant benefits. And if you want the brightening, evening out your skin tone, all those benefits, you need to apply that in the evening time, because that is, that it makes a lot of sense, right? In the morning, use it. So basically, you should use in the morning and evening. That's what I will tell you. But yeah, please feel free to go and do your own research. But this is just what I feel after doing my own research. I'm sharing my thoughts with you all. So this product is really good. Now, alpha arbutin is something that aids or helps vitamin C perform even better, right? And this serum actually is really really hydrating. So when you apply this serum, you have to give it a couple of minutes, I would say maybe 2-3 minutes, or maybe even 5 minutes, for the product to sort of feel lightweight on your skin. For some time it does feel sticky, which is actually a good thing. So don't apply the product and leave your house, because it can make your skin feel very sticky, and dust and dirt can stick on your skin. Obviously, you won't leave only with the vitamin C serum. You have to apply a sunscreen on top of it as well. Otherwise, as soon as you go out, it will break down much more faster. Right. Also, there are different types of vitamin C, which I will not get into right now, but there are the more stabler forms and the more potent forms. And sadly, the most potent form is unfortunately not the most stable form. So anyways, I think I'll keep that for a different video. Types of vitamin C, let me know if that is something that you are interested in, and I will make a different video on that. So this serum is really good. You might not have seen me use it, but I really really like it, and I use it pretty much every single day. Then the next product is something I got recently, and I have been trying it out, and I have liked it, so I'm sharing it with you guys here. So it is this one from Fix Derma, which is their barrier repair face moisturizer. And I got this product also for a collab. I know you can see it upside down, but yeah, that's a product, Fix Derma, barrier repair face moisturizer, and it is durave, I think, or durave, I think it's durave. So that is the product. It is extremely lightweight. It does feel a little heavy on your skin, but that is, that is just a sign of a good moisturizer, right? It has to feel heavy, not really really heavy like a body butter obviously, but it does feel a little like a moisturizer, right? It's not a gel based moisturizer, it is a cream based moisturizer. So you have to give it some time to sort of settle in and get absorbed into your skin. Now I have gone through the ingredients, and the ingredients, they seem absolutely fine. So even if you're someone with acne prone skin, this will actually be really good. But more importantly than that, if you're someone with acne scars and you're applying treatments and stuff like that for your acne scars, go in for this moisturizer, guys, because this has ceramides in it. It has ceramides, mango butter, peptides, and probiotics. Again, all these things, they help to make your skin barrier more stronger. And if your skin barrier is stronger, your skin will be stronger in terms of fighting any kind of dust, dirt, bacteria, all of that. Also, that's Molly, she is here. Yeah. So yeah, that is this moisturizer. And the last product, this is something which I got at an event which I went for, and I will make a different video talking about the event, because it was such a different situation, because I had never been to an event. That was my legit first event. I'm so sorry, she's just gonna be in the background, because if any one of you all, you guys have a cat, if I tell her to go away from there, she will come there all the more. She'll come on my this table which I have here. The other two cats will come, so I'm just trying to not engage too much, and she is here. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and proceed. Sorry. So this is my third product, which is this one from 80. Okay, one second. It is this one from 82 East, which is the Turmeric Shield sunscreen. And I'll tell you honestly, this is not a product I would have ever purchased, just because of the price point. This small bottle is for 930 bucks. Okay. So yes, it is expensive. I will acknowledge that. But having said that, if you can get past that, or if that is not an issue for you, or you just want to try something new out, this product is actually really good. The ingredients, actually, when I went through them, the ingredients were really simple, something that I would personally enjoy to formulate. Maybe if I get my hands on all the ingredients, the ingredients are really good. And this also has ceramides in it. Now, a sunscreen with ceramides is a good idea if you're using only the sunscreen. However, all the products, the serum which I have spoken about, this doesn't have ceramides though, but this has probiotics. Then the face moisturizer has ceramides. So sunscreen having ceramides is not necessary. If you have a moisturizer or a face serum with that. But if you are using only one product and you want to go in with a product which has everything, SPF and ceramides, this is really good. Also, this bottle is almost over, because I did apply to give you the review. But the product is extremely lightweight, does not feel heavy, and the most important thing, it does not pile on. So certain products, when you apply them on top of your other products, they start piling. They kind of become like this. I don't know how to explain, but if you know it. Certain products, they kind of become like, when you erase, like in school they had the pencil and eraser, and when you erase something, you had those small things which come. Sorry, I don't know, that was just something on my phone. Yeah, so the eraser things which come out. So when your skincare piles, it kind of looks something like that on your skin, right? Which basically means two ingredients are not working together, and two or more ingredients rather are not working together, and that happens. So with certain sunscreens, that happens, because sunscreen is a product which goes on top of other products. So that sunscreen has to be something which is compatible with a lot of other ingredients, and this sunscreen is. Okay, so there is one sunscreen which I had spoken about a long back. I forgot the brand and stuff. I'll go back to that. I'll see which sunscreen that was. But that used to pile a lot, and that was so irritating. But this sunscreen does not pile at all. So if you're looking for a new sunscreen, or a recommendation, or a gifting thing, definitely give this product a try. I also have two other products from 82 East which I got to try, and they actually were really good. So while I understand what people say, while these products are not special in terms of formulation, the formulations are not out of this world. The product that has been formulated is really gentle, the packaging is really good, and the packaging is really intact. Certain products, after a while the packaging wears off. This packaging is not wearing off. And yeah, like, I understand, obviously it's a brand which is owned by a celebrity, so it is going to come with its own price point, which is fine, but the formulation is actually pretty decent. I do agree it's not out of the world, but it's really, really, really good. So yeah, these products, I just thought I'll share them with you. I have a couple of more products as well, which I would like to share. So let me know how you like this, and if you will be trying any products. Also, I will link all these three products in the description box below, because someone commented on my earlier video and told me that I have not listed any product in the description, which is true. I had not, because it did not cross my mind to do that. But for this one, I will do that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider, and I'll see you later.